Hello student, how are you all of you? I hope you are fine and fit at home. Student, we are learning environment study, looking around book, standard 5. Student, today we are going to learn very interesting lesson, very interesting topic, that is our chapter number 3, from tasting to digesting. So open your book and open your lesson number 3, chapter number 3, from tasting to digesting. See, this is your book. This is your third lesson. So student, in this lesson we are going to learn many different food items and their taste. Student, every day we are eating lots of food. Okay, we are eating lots of food item, dishes, food stuffs, and we know the taste of that. So in this lesson we are going to learn and we will get to know about the taste of food items, and we will learn also the digestive system of human being. So let's begin the lesson from first topic. Here some conversation between the Jhulan, Jhumpa and Ma given. So who is she? Jhumpa. So right here Jhumpa. She is Jhumpa's mother, and she is Jhulan. So let's see what they are saying. Now see, Jhumpa ran into the kitchen and caught hold her mother. Okay, and saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela." Means what? Bitter gourd means karela. See, she is a Jhumpa. Jhumpa don't want to eat karela. Okay, bitter gourd. That's why she ran into the kitchen and she hold her mother and she said, "I don't want to eat this because this karela is bitter." Means what? Kadwa hai. So she asked to her mother, "Give me jaggery and roti." What is meant by jaggery? That's I am going to show you. See student, this is a jaggery, means good. So Jhumpa want to eat jaggery and with a roti. Jaggery with roti means she want to eat sweet. Jaggery and roti. What is the taste of jaggery? It is sweet. But her mother her mother said to Jhumpa, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." So Jhulan teased Jhumpa, "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" What happened? Means Jhumpa, everyday Jhumpa eating same kind of food. That's why Jhulan teased her. Who's? Jhumpa. And what she said, what Jhulan said, "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" And her mother also laughing, and Jhulan tease her. Tease means what? Tease her means chidana. So Jhulan teased to Jhumpa. Then Jhumpa replied. What said Jhumpa to Jhulan? Jhumpa said to Jhulan quickly, "Do you get bored with licking imli?" Means tamarind. Tamarind means what? Imli. Jhumpa said to Jhulan, you also don't get bored with eating imli, with licking imli. So I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing a word imli. Now Jhulan's mouth is watering, okay, to hear the word imli. So student, when we hear a word imli, then also our mouth also getting watering immediately. So same like that, Jhulan's mouth is getting watering because she heard a word imli. So what is mean by imli, student? Imli means tamarind. See, you can see the imli. What is the taste of imli? What is the taste of tamarind? Its taste is sour. Sour means what? Khatta. Its taste is sour. Sour means what? Khatta. Then Jhulan said, yes, my mouth is watering because I love to eat imli. But I eat sweet and salty things too. My mouth is watering doesn't mean I eat only imli. What she said, Jhulan said, I eat all things, salty, sweet, sour, okay, in my diets. I even eat karela. Jhulan said, I even eat karela. I like all kinds of food and their taste. But Jhumpa is not like Jhulan. Jhumpa is tasting only one kind food like roti, sugar and roti, jaggery and roti. That's why Jhulan teases her. I am not like you. I always eat different kind of food items in my diet. So I am not like you, and you should try to different taste, and you should eat different kind of food, and you should involve the all kinds of food in your diet. Now what they decided, Jhulan said to Jhumpa, okay, Jhulan said to Jhumpa, let's play a game. Which game? That game is related to food. Means Jhulan said to Jhumpa, we will play game. You have to close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put different things you have to eat. Okay, she will put different things in her mouth and Jhumpa have to eat that, and Jhumpa have to guess which things is that. Okay, so Jhumpa have to tell what it is. So Jhulan took a few drops of lemon. What she took? Jhumpa took a few drops of lemon. So what is the taste of lemon, student? Lemon taste is sour. Means what? Lemon is क्या होता है? खट्टा होता है. Lemon is a sour. Lemon is a खट्टा. So Jhulan took a lemon, some lemons drop, and she put in Jhulan's mouth. What she first take? She first took the lemon drop, and Jhulan put that some lemons drop into Jhumpa's mouth, and Jhumpa immediately guessed that. Quickly she guessed and she replied, oh, it's a lemon. What she said? Oh, it's a lemon. It tastes very sour. क्या ये खट्टा है? What is this? It is a lemon. Then next what happened? See, Jhulan picked up a small piece of jaggery. Jaggery means what? Good. Then Jhulan took a good. She picked up the small piece of jaggery, and her mother suggests crush it. Otherwise, she will know what it is. So Jhulan pick up a small piece of jaggery and she crushed. Okay, like this. She crushed, and Jhulan again pushed crushed jaggery into the Jhumpa's mouth, and Jhumpa easily guessed it because it is taste is sweet. What is the taste of jaggery? Jaggery is a sweet. So Jhumpa easily guessed that is a jaggery. So they play the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the fry fish even before the tasting it. Jhumpa, without tasting the fish, she could recognize that is a fish. Because why this happened? Because fish smell is very strong, and we can recognize the fish not only by taste but also by their smell. Because we have a strong sense of smell, and also we have sense of taste. So some food items we can easily recognize by only their smell, like fish or eggs, omelette. We can then meat, chicken. We can recognize this food items by their smell. Again, next what happened? See, now Jhulan said to Jhumpa, okay, now Jhulan said to Jhumpa, close your eyes, okay. Now close your eyes and close your nose also and tell me what is this. What she said? Jhumpa have to close your eyes. She already closed her eyes, but now she have to close her nose as well. Then Jhulan put some things in her mouth. Then Jhumpa get confused. What is this? Because it is a beet. It is a little bitter. It is little salty, and it is a summer. So what is this? Can you guess this, student? Which food items is that? See, it's some bitter, little salty, and sour. So what Jhumpa get confused. She can't recognize easily these food items. So she said, give me one more spoon. Okay, she said to Jhulan, give me one more spoon. Jhulan took another spoonful of the cooked karela, uncovered Jhumpa's eyes and said, here it is it. And Jhumpa laughed. Yes, give me more. So what is that? It is a sabji of karela. It's sabji of bitter gourd. So after that, after some time, Jhumpa recognized the karela sabji because its taste is little bitter, little salty, and little sour. Okay, that's it. So understood these students? We saw how they playing the game. Who? Jhumpa, Jhulan, and her mother playing the game. And Jhumpa, how Jhumpa easily recognized the food items, and she told to her mother and Jhulan. So what we learn from this paragraph, students? We learn the different things and the different food item and taste. What is meant by taste? See, we learn about tasting. What is meant by taste? Now see, student, every food item has different taste, and our tongue help to us taste that. We can recognize a food items not only by its taste but also by its smell. Like Jhumpa easily recognize the fish by only smell, only their smell. Like fish, we can easily recognize omelette, then fish, then bhaji, pakora. This kind of foods item we can easily recognize by only smell.